Aim to check the fluids in your car once every 4 to 6 months. When you're ready to start, park your car on a flat surface and set the parking brake. Give your car a chance to cool down, then pop the hood to get access to the fluid reservoirs. Start by checking your engine oil. Pull out the dipstick, which usually has a white or yellow loop at the top, and wipe it down with a clean rag or paper towel. Then dip it again and look at it closely to make sure the oil level reaches the appropriate markings on the stick. Next, turn your car back on and let it warm up in park or neutral. Then pull out the transmission fluid dipstick, which is usually red or orange. Wipe it and dip it again to check the transmission fluid level. Next, take a look at the plastic reservoirs labeled brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. With these fluids, you can usually just look at the side of the plastic tank to see if the fluid is above the minimum fill line. Finally, look for a container with a brightly colored cap labeled with an image of a windshield. Open the cap and take a look inside to see if you have enough windshield wiper fluid. If any of your fluids are low, carefully top them off with the appropriate fluid following the manufacturer's instructions on the bottle.